kuya. I made this.
That's so cute.
So first stop, smallest to biggest. First stop is this small one.
Okay.
It's so small.
What is that?
It's from
Shoot closer to the camera.
So cool. Next one is
Angel. Angel. Angel's very
This
nasty.
Small daw muna natin.
Huh?
here. This is a peach. I'm watching my daughter. Yeah.
Let's do it together. This one.
Oh, you have
It's literally the same.
Yep, I called her
anyways.
and then I was like, Ate, do you have to be matching?
Okay.
I didn't say
This
yes or
too?
anything.
She got you one.
He can't even post.
She just gave it to me and I just accepted.
Water bottle.
There's
Next is this. I already opened it. So next is the jewelry. Jewelry.
Yep.
Come on, let's stick it out. You're not gonna use the earrings because
Why?
it's heavy.
guys, I got it off. So this is what I get. There's this snowflake over here, and then
Nabigyan mo ba yung
Anna
mic?
and Elsa.
Kaya,
Did you notice this? Belle wearing a tiara. That isn't even opened yet.
So this is Jasmine. Can I see?
I wanted my stuff to be matching, so I get this.
Can I see Belle's anak?
Yeah. This is I get this because it's matching with the tiara.
Yeah.
This one is my
I'm still
tiara.
figuring out how to take it out.
My tiara.
Excuse me.
This one's my tiara. And then luckily next is this. This is the next one.
Nay, can you...
I am brain rotted.
Oh Jesus! Get it.
Yeah, that one. The bottle.
So excited.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna be opening this. I was about to say it's gonna be me.
Ito galing ah. You can use it this isa.
I'll open mine.
Uy, may payong siya? Oh,
Guys,
Tomorrow.
why you didn't tell me? Inggit naman ako.
Can I see?
Inggit naman ako.
Come on, let's sing.
Inggit naman
It's
ako.
gonna be mine.
it's gonna be me.
That's nice.
Ah,
Nabaro tomorrow.
nope.
Your gowns.
We're gonna wear
Picture niyo bukas.
that tomorrow. The queen of course.
Angel from
Stitch
Stitch.
and the angel.
I've done your magic carpet.
Can I see? Lapit ka.
I'm not magic carpet.
Pretty.
It matches.
I am evil.
I'm gonna put it on her.
I'm gonna get
Oh, you're not supposed to. It's not poke. It's just like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, show me your tumbler.
Guys,
Then
there's also a lock on this. This is unlocked. This is locked.
video.
What?
What is this?
Oh, it's because I didn't do it.
Oh, I don't.
bye guys.
Bye.
Bye
See you next time.
Bye bye.